Hey, this is Jay at Lasco Auto Parts. I'm here with Austin today, and we're going to go over a really high-selling item that we know some of our customers want some more information about. It's the Explorer Center Console that you can add. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so here we are looking at the center console box. You can see not too big of a box. It comes well packed. So you can be assured that you're not going to have any damage when the part shows up. Part number is GB5Z-78045A36-AB. And once again, that's the Explorer Center Console. That's going to fit a 2016 Explorer, a 2017 Explorer, and a 2018 Explorer. It'll fit the Sport Edition, which actually comes with red stitching, and that's actually ends in AB for the sport stitching, and then AA for the regular black stitching that you'd find on an XLT or a Limited. The difference is you can see right here on the Sport, you have red stitching right on the center console, and then like I said on the AA part number, that's going to be black stitching. The only thing that this center console does not fit is a Platinum Explorer, but we've had some customers that have actually installed it. It does fit. It just has a small gap, you'll notice right down here on the bottom where you actually install it. It's going to have just a small gap between the center console and the floor, where you could probably just take a grommet and fill that small space and the difference between the floor height and the Platinum. But once again, this center console fits a 2016, 2017, 2018 Explorer Sport, Explorer XLT, and Explorer Limited. And we'll read that part number to you one more time. It is GB5Z-78045A36-AB. And I'll have Austin just kind of go over the features with you really quick. What does it look like? We have two cup holders and a small little tray area. I want to say that's a rubber tray at the bottom too. Probably
yeah, it looks like you can
clean.
remove it and you can clean it very easily.
That's nice.
Looks like it's got some nice features on the outside. That way, add a better look to your vehicle. You know, if you're trying to get the extra edge. Also, we have a nice storage compartment here where you can store your keys, your wallet, you know, some small items, and also a storage unit underneath. That way,
good size.
you can have a nice area there where you can store some things maybe you don't want everyone else to see. It clips real good. It's very sturdy. I'd say it's probably, you know, a good 10 pounds, 12 pounds. So it's made with good, high quality material. As you can see, it's solid all the way through. So, you know, you have nothing to worry about when it comes to, you know, durability.
As far as installation time, I think we looked that up by the book.
Yeah, it usually takes a Ford technician about a half hour to install this item. So, you know, as you can see, I mean, there's just a few mounting bolts at the bottom. So when it comes to installation, it shouldn't be very hard at all.
Great. So if anybody that's interested, go ahead and contact us at LascoAutoparts.com. That's LascoAutoparts.com. And what's the direct line they can contact you guys on?
They can contact us at 810-629-0770.
All right, great. If you guys have any questions, feel free jump on the website. You can contact us on there. We obviously have any Ford OEM parts, any Ford accessories you're looking for. We're one of the largest in the whole nation. We get the parts to you promptly. Comes with obviously the factory available warranty, factory fitting, you know, packaged with great material, so you know your parts are showing up without any damage and ready to be installed. We're here to answer your questions. Give us a call or go ahead and place your order today at LascoAutoparts.com. Thanks for your time.